The other night, I slept at the foot of my mama's coconut tree. Of my coconut tree planted by my mama. Only started fruiting. The kind of love I gave her when I found out she was fertile. The kind of love I've given her since I found out she was fertile. I planned to kill her. And then it started flowering. Well, the other night, I slept at the fruit of my coconut tree. The one my mama planted. She came and danced when it started fruiting. She was so happy. She told me not to burn stuff near it anymore. I've loved this coconut tree a lot since then. For real. It's spiritual now. If I tie a woman's more here, if not tie, if I ask a woman's more to be here, then it's a real I'm saying not every say wife will, you know what I'm saying? Because it's spiritual. Well, that night was supposed to be dark. But the moon had other plans. I mean, I don't know, I've not seen it since that night. But it's still light. Not bright, but light. I have been retraining my vision. And obviously it's terrible in the dark, right? Because it gets its best during the daytime. Yeah. If you can hear the music in the background, Ukwu, my people, now book them more for Zoji Umuji sponsored the going to the land of the spirits and inviting a new spirit for Umuji, for Ukwu, to come and dance for us. So that's what's happening over there. I think today is the first day that it made a public appearance. I don't know, man. So today was at Navy Academy for my sister's girls induction, man. 7 years, bro, or more of normal time, no extras. It's fucked up, man. Well, that's the thing. You just got to do within you fit skill for. Yeah. That's the secret. Otherwise, the shit way down go fucking test you so bad. You will hate the life you live. But if you do it, you fit skill for, I guess you can ride through every obstacle. Am I lazy? I'm not lazy. And the only proof that I have that I'm not lazy is the amount of work that I've put in previous times. Yeah. So that's the thing. I'm a different type of hunter. I'm saying from the person I want to just bouncing around every day. Good for them. They definitely got more bread than me at the moment. A lot more bread. But now me get the explanation now. Now me get the explanation to explain if, you know what I'm saying. So make I back myself. Yes, sir.